Alright, here's the last problem on the homework, problem 9-118. The question is asking us to find the volume of just that slice of cake. And to do that, we're going to need to find the volume of the whole cake first. Alright, and so that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to draw out a little cake here, try to draw it the best I can. Top part. And it's really a cylindrical cake, so it's something like this. It has a height here of 6 inches, and it's got a diameter of 14 inches. So the whole top or the whole bottom, whatever the base is that you want to choose, has a diameter of 14 inches, which means it has a radius, if I just do the radius down here, of 7 inches. Alright, and then if we want to find the volume of any kind of shape, we want to find the area of the base and then multiply that by the height. So I need to find the area of this circle base and then multiply it by the height. To find the area of that circle base, that is going to be r squared times pi, or another way I could say it is pi times r squared. And we know that the radius here, r, is 7. And so if I keep going with this, I get 7 squared times pi. And that gives me 49 pi. Or if I don't like the way that 49 pi looks, I could rewrite 49 pi as 153.93, and I believe this is inches, yeah, inches squared, because it's an area. Okay, so I have my area of my base. Now I need to multiply that by the height, which the height is 6 inches. And so I'm going to take my 153.93 and I'm going to multiply that by 6. And that's going to give me the volume of this whole shape, which the volume is then equal to 923.63 inches cubed. So I got the volume of the entire cake now, found the area of the base, multiplied that by the height, got the volume of the whole cake. But I just want the piece of that cake. I just want her slice. And you have to use the picture over here for that. It says that her slice of cake was 38 degrees. That's like that central angle of her piece of cake, which means that's 38 degrees out of the total 360 degrees here. And so that's the portion that I'm going to multiply the volume by. I'm going to take the entire volume here, the 923.63, and I'm going to multiply that by the portion 30. I don't like the way that 3 looks. Sorry. We'll multiply that by the portion 38 out of 360. And when I plug this into my calculator, I'm going to get the volume that I'm looking for. And so I take the 923.63, multiply that by 38 divided by 360, and I get 97.49 inches cubed, and that's my answer. So what I did again is I found the volume of the entire birthday cake by taking the area of the base, multiplying it by the height, and then I took the volume of the entire cake and I multiplied it by the portion of the cake that I really had, and that portion of the cake is 38 out of 360 because that angle the slice makes is 38 degrees out of an entire 360 degree cake.